In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to edit your image in Grok. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Grok. Once you're over here, you're going to find the search bar. Click on this link icon, upload the picture from your gallery that you want to edit. After your image is uploaded, you will need to create a prompt. A clear set of instructions that tells Grok how you want the image modified. This could include adjusting brightness, contrast, adding filters, adding or removing objects. Once your prompt is ready, click the submit button to let Grok process your image. After a short wait, your edited image will be ready and you can either download it or make further adjustments. Feel free to experiment with different prompts to achieve the perfect result. And that's how you can easily edit images using Grok. Also, you can try out these suggestions given below. Just click on it and the images will be generated in that form. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.